What is YouTube automation? Explain concepts in a friendly, relatable manner. Case studies. Showcase real examples with excitement and enthusiasm. Excuses? Light. Motivational tone. Gently challenge common excuses. Module 1. Fundamentals. Break fundamentals into bite-sized, clear tips. How to target USA audience. Explain targeting strategy with clear examples. How to set up USA-based channel. Step-by-step-tutorial-style.com and informative. Types of content. Visual examples of content. Types with subtle music lift. Types of channel. Energetic explanations with icons, animations. Video editor versus channel owner. Comparison graphics. Engaging voice. RPM. Explain monetization. Slight upbeat music to maintain energy. Zero views issue. Problem solution format. Reassuring tone. IPissue.com. Technical explanation. Beginner mistakes. Slightly humorous. Friendly warning tone. Major policies. Serious. Clear. Professional tone. Module 2. Niche importance and selection. Niche importance. Excited but informative. Niche selection method. Step-by-step. Visual aids. Importance of competitors. Calm explanation with graphics. How to find competitors. Demonstrative examples. How to find some slight upbeat tone. Shorts versus long-form content. Visual comparison. Energetic tone. Module 3. Video creation and packaging. Video packaging. Clear instructions. Motivating tone. Case study. Engaging. Animated visuals. Topic selection. Excited. Illustrative. Examples. Script writing. Step-by-step.com. Background. Voiceover. Friendly. A natural tone. Slight emphasis on clarity. Visual creation. Show visuals. Energetic voice. Thumbnail highlight. Importance. Visually appealing examples. SEO. Professional. Instructive tone. Toolslist.com. Clear list format. Subtle music. Lift. Can AI content go viral? Exciting examples. Upbeat background. Module 4. Mistakes to avoid. Friendly warnings. Slight humorous touch. Module 5 bonuses. Energetic. Build excitement. Testimonials. Showcase. Positive feedback. Soft background music. Premium bonuses. For you, enthusiastic. Closing. Call to action. Upbeat outro music.